Almost every man or woman thinks of getting rich, but they find the common problem, that is, they have a low income. But after watching this video, it won't be a problem anymore, as in this video I will be telling you few tricks which if you follow then you will become a millionaire surely, and that too with a very low income. Financial discipline. Every area of life, including finances, requires discipline. Financial freedom can only be attained by personal financial discipline. The only thing that constitutes a disciplined financial system is a proper ratio of income to spending to investment. When someone keeps things the same from the start of their working life, they won't have to worry about being wealthy in their senior years. Well-defined goals. The element that helps you gauge your success is a goal. To select the appropriate investment product at the appropriate age, one must have a clearly defined aim. A person may have financial objectives such as saving up a certain amount of money to invest at a later age, or purchasing a particular car or home at a particular age. Being wealthy can mean different things to different individuals, as was already mentioned, so you should be aware of what it means to you. You can better identify your end goals as a result. When you have end goals, you may make strategies accordingly and work towards achieving those goals. Before moving on to the video, I would request you to subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Let's begin with the video. Get on a budget. Setting up a budget is crucial while trying to accumulate money. With a budget, you are responsible for every dollar you spend. To ensure that you stay to your budget, you should choose a budgeting strategy that suits your needs the best. You might be astonished to learn that there are examples of millionaires that follow a budget in order to maintain their financial success. Diversified investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as famous American businessman and philanthropist Mr. Warren Buffett once said. This phrase makes it apparent that you shouldn't put all of your money into one channel. The risk of an investment is reduced when it is spread across multiple platforms. The maximum return for the least risk is always provided by a diverse investment portfolio. Stocks, fixed income investments, commodities, and assets like real estate make up the ideal diversified investment portfolio. Emergency funds and insurances. The first thing you need to have is a safety net for your bad days of life if you desire financial freedom to do anything you want. You would be more able to enjoy your wealth with greater freedom the lesser your dangers are and the higher your insurance is. You will be free to take pleasure in the cash you have in your hand thanks to your emergency savings and your insurance plans, life, health, home, and automobile. Life's unexpected occurrences, such as job loss, serious illness, and diseases, as well as debt, can be difficult to manage on a set monthly income. As a result, as soon as you start making money, you should start saving for emergencies and beginning to invest in various insurance products, such term, life, and health insurance. From the moment you begin earning, these will avoid unnecessary spending. Put an end to your shopping sprees. Prior to tapping your card, consider the following: is this really something I need? Do I already have something like this? Is this something I desire more than being a millionaire? Spending money on things you don't need takes money away from investments. Here's a dose of reality. For the same 40 years, investing an additional $25 a week would result in earnings of $277,693. Can you eliminate $25 in wasteful spending from your weekly budget? Perhaps, perhaps not. But if you can, this will greatly assist you in achieving your objective. Pay off debt. Debt is costly. Interest payments on debts such as credit cards, personal loans, and school loans can reach thousands of dollars. Becoming debt-free first is a key step in the process of becoming wealthy from nothing. You may swiftly pay off your high-interest loans and begin working towards financial success by putting into practice a debt payoff strategy. Start saving money. Saving money is the best way to get wealthy, according to anyone who has achieved financial success. Saving money is therefore a critical step in learning how to become rich overnight. To save, you don't need to earn a lot of money. Even on a limited budget, you can still save money. As you develop the practice of saving, your bank account will grow more quickly than you expect. Live below your means. Living within your means is a fundamental component of the how to get rich from nothing strategy. You'll spend less cash and boost your savings by sticking to a budget. Similar to budgeting, living within your means is a financial strategy you should employ if you want to accumulate wealth. Be patient and consistent. Creating money needs patience and constant work. While you seek for financial success, keep your focus on the goal and practice patience. Being persistent and patient may assist you in achieving your financial objectives, establishing good money management habits, overcoming obstacles, and maximizing the potential of compounding over time. You may accumulate money by adopting this mindset even if your salary is small. You may lay a solid basis for long-term financial success by consistently engaging in good financial practices including budgeting, saving, and investing. Live frugally. Sir Warren Buffett frequently advises us to lead frugal lives. Almost all millionaires live frugally. Frugal living involves being aware of your expenses and making decisions that will help you save money. This includes making a budget, placing needs before wants, being aware of how much energy and resources are used, cooking at home, purchasing useful stuff, and limiting wasteful spending. Your main objective in frugal lifestyle is setting expenditure priorities and looking for methods to cut costs. Being frugal with your money will enable you to accumulate wealth over time. You can quickly become financially free by leading a frugal lifestyle. That's it for today's video. I would like to challenge you to put these strategies into action and see how they work for you. Always remember that small changes can add up to big results over time. If you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more personal financing tips and tricks. Do hit the like button and share the video with your friends. A like and subscribe motivates us to make new videos and do a lot of research.